Hi, my name is Shalak Raval and I have enrolled this course, and this is a HRM course. So I have basically 10 years plus experience into in the talent acquisition. I'm into in various function of the HR, and yes, this course helped me to build more on that. This is basically the course is built on these strategies, and I wanted to get to know more about the strategies, how it will get built and how I can utilize in my regular practice, hence I chosen that. It is helpful for me because I have recently changed into in the PMO, and it really helpful for me to understand the strategies and how I can build with my new role. It is overall okay, and in terms of the content material, it was helpful. The real-time case studies which we got it, and the group discussions, we heard many of the new ideas to implement in our day-to-day activities in the office. Of course, this is useful those who want to learn and grow in their respective careers,